Luis de Leon, Governor Greg Abbott tweeted on Wednesday night this, saying alcohol to go sales can continue after May 1st, also hinting at possibly letting it continue permanently. But there's been some questions around what exactly alcohol to go means. And with restaurant dining rooms being able to reopen on Friday with restrictions while bars cannot, there's also been some questions on the differences between the two. We asked TABC and they say 51% of revenue needs to come from selling food for a place to reopen their dining room on May 1st.
That number is something that is reported to TABC when they renew their permit or when they apply for their original permit.
The rule also goes for dining in at a brewery, distillery, or a winery, which, by the way, can also reopen their tap rooms and tasting rooms May 1st with some restrictions.
Some of those operate additionally as restaurants, and the same guidelines are going to apply to those folks.
It's separated into two sections for these places, dining in and shopping. For dining in, tap rooms and tasting rooms can reopen if they have permanent food service on site and their alcohol sales don't exceed 51% of their total sales. They'll also have to follow the 25% occupancy limit. For shopping, tap rooms and tasting rooms can reopen for quick tastings to buy products depending on their license or permit type. Again, the 25% occupancy rule applies.
However, a lot of those offer on-premise alcohol sales for like beer to go, for example, or purchasing commemorative bottles of distilled spirits to take home. What those locations can do is continue to operate as a retailer similar to a liquor store or a grocery store.
So how is this all enforced?
So we're making contact with those businesses, letting them know what the requirements are, and then from there, most of them are getting back into compliance, and to date we haven't had to issue any kind of citation.
Also, alcohol to go, retail to go, and businesses reopening does not mean mixed drinks to go. So if you've been buying single mixed drinks like a margarita from a restaurant already made and mixed up, that's been a rule breaker. TABC says distilled spirits still have to be sold with food in a manufactured sealed container no bigger than this, which many restaurants are hoping to have loosened soon. In Austin, Luis de Leon, KVUE News.